Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable using Zelle with your debit card at Fifth Third step by step clearly. To enable Zelle with your debit card at Fifth Third, start by opening the Fifth Third mobile banking app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, log in using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Zelle option in the app's main menu. Tap on Zelle to initiate the setup process. Next, you will be prompted to add a debit card if you haven't done so already. Select your preferred debit card from the list provided. If your card is not listed, follow the instructions to add a new debit card. Make sure to enter all required information accurately. Once your card is added, you will receive a confirmation message. Now, return to the Zelle setup screen and agree to the terms and conditions. You may be asked to verify your identity through a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Enter the verification code in the designated field. After verification, you'll be asked to enter your preferred email address or mobile number for receiving payments. Fill in this information carefully. Review all the details you've entered to ensure they are correct. Once reviewed, tap on Enroll to complete the process. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Zelle with your debit card at Fifth Third. You can now send and receive money using Zelle directly from your mobile banking app. Enjoy the convenience of quick and secure transactions with Zelle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.